Disclaimer: Help at Tech does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Any misuse of this content is completely at your own risk. Do not try to attempt to break the law or do any illegal stuff by using this. In that case, we aren't responsible.
Hello, friends. Before we starting to learn ethical hacking, we need a hacking lab to experiment and practice ethical hacking. And we need to test what we learned.
No, not this lab. Yes, like this. Perfect.
So an ethical hacking lab contains the following equipments: hacking machine, other machine to hack, websites to hack, networks, etc. Here machine I mean by PC, or other electronic devices, used to hack and to be hacked. So the list for the lab is too big and expensive. Most of us can't have access to these things. Then how can we make the lab, and how to learn ethical hacking? The solution is here. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel, and click on the bell icon, so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Let's go to learn. In the previous lecture we learned the definition of hacking. If we want to learn ethical hacking, we need computers with different operating systems. We need websites to install these computers for testing them. And also we need networks for penetration testing. But we only have one system. Is it possible to do all this using one system? Of course, if use a virtual machine we can simply learn ethical hacking using one system. A virtual machine is an emulation of a computer system. Virtual machines are based on computer architectures and provide functionality of a physical computer. In simple words, a virtual machine is a computer file, typically called an image, that behaves like an actual computer. In other words, creating a computer within a computer. Each virtual machine provides its own virtual hardware, including CPUs, memory, hard drives, network interfaces, and other devices. The main advantages of virtual machines are: multiple OS environments can exist simultaneously on the same machine, isolated from each other. Virtual machine can offer an instruction set architecture that differs from real computers. Easy maintenance, application provisioning, availability, and convenient recovery. Is a virtual machine safe? Virtual machines are an isolated environment from the physical operating system, so you can run potentially dangerous stuff, such as malware, without fear of compromising your main OS. They're a safe environment, but there are exploits against virtualization software, allowing malware to spread to the physical system. So we are using virtual machine as our hacking lab. There are many virtual machine with many features. Here in this course we are using VirtualBox as our virtual machine. Oracle VM VirtualBox is a powerful x86 and AMD 64 or Intel 64 virtualization product for enterprise as well as home use. Not only is VirtualBox an extremely feature-rich, high-performance product for enterprise customers, it is also the only professional solution that is freely available as open-source software under the terms of the new General Public License version 2. Presently, VirtualBox runs on Windows, Linux, Macintosh, and Solaris hosts, and supports a large number of guest operating systems. To install Oracle VM VirtualBox, open your browser, and search VirtualBox. In the search result you see the first one as Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on the download link. Choose your operating system, and it will automatically start downloading. My system is Windows, so I choose the Windows host. Next we need to download the extension pack. Click on the extension pack link and it is also download automatically. The extension pack is common for all operating systems. Extension pack is support for USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 devices. VirtualBox RDP, disk encryption, NVMe, and PXE boot for Intel cards. Install the same version extension pack as your installed version of VirtualBox. If the versions are different, extension pack will not work. After successfully download both the VirtualBox and extension pack, Go to the file location and click on the VirtualBox.X file. The VirtualBox Setup Wizard started the installation process. Click on Next. Again Next. Once more, Next. Click Yes. Click Install. Installing the package take a few minutes. Click Finish. Now the VirtualBox successfully installed on your system. This is the home window of the VirtualBox. Next we need to install the extension pack. It is very simple. Double-click on the downloaded extension pack file. It will automatically open the VirtualBox. Ask the permission to install the extension pack. Click Install. It will take a while to install the extension pack. Click on OK and the installation complete. Now our VirtualBox is ready for use. We can install the needed machines in this VirtualBox.
If you like our video, please click on the like button. If you have any doubts or suggestions, feel free to use the comment box, or you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel for extra support. If you join to our WhatsApp or Telegram channel, it will be helpful to you when the upcoming practical classes comes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture. The next lecture is installing hacking machine into the VirtualBox.